Dzień dobry, I'm Monica and welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious creamy lentil soup. Perfect for a whole family, one of my son's favorites, very easy to make. It doesn't need much ingredient, it needs a bit time, but I'm going to show you why, so let's start. As I promised, you just need 2 ingredients. First one is lentil. I use organic yellow split lentil. The other one is homemade organic vegetable stock. So the only thing that takes time is for lentils to rehydrate, to soak in water. So the easiest way to do it is just put it in the water for overnight and then cook it in the morning or in the afternoon. I have here about half a cup of lentils and a cup of water. After they soaked, I basically just cook them for about 15-20 minutes under a cover. Just make sure that they don't boil out. So after about 20 minutes of cooking, you're gonna strain them and add them to the vegetable stock. So I use this kind of blender, but you can also use one that is like that, so a hand blender. I just found that the soups that come out from this blender are more smooth in texture, and here we go. There it is. After you blend it, just put it in a pot and then bring it to boil. That will help the soup thicken. So if I make too much of soup, I basically just put it in a jar and then freeze them and then use it as a portion for my son. So here it is. Easy to make lentil soup. If you like spices, I suggest you add a bit of cayenne powder or cayenne flakes. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like that. Please leave me some comment for more recipes from Polish Mama Cooks. Please subscribe and see you next time. Thank you, SMACZNEGO. Bye bye.